Has your Panasonic microwave suddenly stopped heating and started displaying the H98 error code? This message can be concerning because it usually indicates a problem related to the microwave's high voltage system or internal components. However, in some cases, the error may appear due to a temporary interruption and can be cleared with a few simple checks. In many situations, a Panasonic microwave H98 error can be addressed without immediately replacing the appliance. Before assuming the unit has permanently failed or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore normal operation. 1. Turn off the microwave and unplug it from the electrical outlet for several minutes. 2. Reconnect the power cord and allow the microwave to complete its startup process. 3. Make sure the door closes securely and that nothing is preventing it from latching properly. 4. Test the microwave with a cup of water using a short heating cycle. 5. Verify whether the H98 error code has disappeared and the unit is heating normally again.